Health benefits of apple. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion. They contain vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. Apples are rich in antioxidants that help protect body cells. They may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Apples can help maintain healthy blood pressure. They may help lower harmful LDL cholesterol levels. Apples support healthy blood circulation. They may help regulate blood sugar levels. Apples can help maintain a healthy body weight because they are filling, making you feel full after eating. They are low in calories and suitable for weight management. Apples contain water that helps keep the body hydrated. They support healthy gut bacteria. Apples may help prevent constipation. They may help reduce inflammation in the body. Apples support healthy skin. They may help protect the skin from oxidative damage. Apples can contain nutrients that support healthy aging. They support good eye health. Apples may help maintain healthy brain function. They contain potassium, which supports proper muscle function. Apples support healthy teeth and gums. They may help reduce oxidative stress. Apples can be a healthy snack option. They provide natural energy from carbohydrates. Apples support a healthy metabolism. They may help improve overall nutrition. Apples may contribute to better appetite control. They contain plant compounds that support overall wellness. Regular apple consumption may support long term health. Eating apples regularly may support overall health and well being. Thanks a lot for listening.